Hey, Catherine. Come on.
You go to mommy?
What you doing? Come to mommy. Come to mommy.
Go get her.
Come on over here. Come on. What you doing, baby? Can you show us how you walk? Oh.
No, I can show you how to drop a nozzle before. And chill her.
Oh. Yummy. Okay, come on. Come to mommy. Wow. Go get the car. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. Don't let that distract you. Ah.